Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to price, how much to invest, how to buy it at wholesale, and how to sell it. Let me get ready and let's get to work. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing this new heat press that was sent to me by this company. Is called Istoyo. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this is the box I received, and so we're going to open this together. Here is the box that comes inside. Similar to the Cricut, but of course it's cheaper. So here it is. Okay, here's where you sit it. It came with the instructions, and it also came with these 4 different stickers that I can go ahead and iron on. So let's go ahead and plug it. It has 3 different temperatures. I understand that the last temperature is to be close to 400, so I'm going to test it on the second one, which is about between 325 and 350. So that's the one we are going to be testing. And I have these t-shirts that I want to go ahead and try. So we're waiting for the heat press to heat up. So I'm going to be using these t-shirts that I already tie-dye previously. You guys know that I like to do rhinestones, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the rhinestones while it gets hot. So here's the rhinestones right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this sticker. So we're gonna put it right there. So it is ready. So we have to preheat the area for a little bit, for about 5 seconds. And then we go ahead and add our image and go over it and leave it there for a few, I will say that between 12 and 15 seconds. What I like about this one is that it has a very nice grip. To wait until it cools down, and in the meantime I'm going to go ahead and press on my rhinestones right here, and it's super easy. Again, leave them between 12 15 seconds, no more than 25 seconds. I only have 5 coats, so make sure that you do it right away, because you can get it at 30% off. Okay, it's cooling down. I have this thing right here that I use to cool it down faster. I just go over it and it cools down much faster. See, it's almost cold. So then we go ahead and lift it up. And there it is with the rhinestones. Okay, let's go ahead and do another one. Again, we're going to go ahead and, this is for a little girl, so I'm going to go ahead and put the rhinestones. Okay, so here we go. We're going to preheat the area. There we go. And then we're going to put our sticker where we want it, right there. And we're going to go ahead and press on it. I guess I want to turn it this way so that it covers everything. And again, between 12 to 15, no more than 25 seconds. Let it cool down. And in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and do the rhinestones. Okay, So again, this needs to cool down. Let's go ahead and put these over it so it cools down faster. Here we go. There it is. Another thing you can do also is to secure everything correctly. You can go over it if you feel is necessary. Like right here, I'm going over it again. And maybe down here, going just a little bit over again, because I felt like one of the letters wasn't secure. So there it is. Here's your second one. And look at how nice. Okay, so I hope you like this video and what I have to offer you. Remember that five people can go ahead and get a code to get it at 30% off, and make sure that you contact me. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. This works excellent. I love it, and make the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.